Thank you, Dr. Manisha, for setting the tone for today's session. And thank you, every one of you who's attending the session. We are looking forward to do something very different, which has never happened on our platform of Empower T1D. This is a year-end bonanza, like a T1D Xmas special meet. The theme is Bolus and Buddies Connect. And we have some very exciting lineup of facilitators for today's session. As you all know, we just summed up our tie up type 1 diabetes meet for all India advocates. And it's so nice to see so many of you were there and are attending today's session. So, we just thought that we should onboard our children living with type 1 diabetes as well as caregivers. And to present that, we have with us today the team of Anima T1D as well as Alignia Wellness Foundation. And with that, I'm happy to introduce our facilitators for today's session. First up, we are going to have Dr. Radhika Purushothaman. She's an MD, a clinical director, and the co-founder of Anima T1D. What does Anima T1D do? I'm going to let her speak about it, but accompanying her, we have Molly Barry, who's a speech language pathologist, and she's also the co founder of Anima T1D. Besides that, Molly is a caregiver to her daughter who lives with type 1 diabetes. And to bring in the fun aspect, we have with us Diksha Dev, our very own global advocate from India, from Chandigarh. Diksha is a counseling psychologist and also the founder CEO of her foundation, Alignia Wellness Foundation. With that, I open the floor and I'm wishing all of you an exciting and fun session.
Thank you, Riddhi. Hi, everyone. Hello, good evening. अच्छा सब इंग्लिश हिंदी दोनों चलेगा? पहले तो सबके चेहरे नजर आने चाहिए. ये डॉक्टर मनीषा सो राइट. ये ब्लैंक स्क्रीन देख के कोई मजा नहीं आता है. कैन आई सी एवरीवन्स फेस? Yes. Now it feels like. Hi, can everyone just say hi with just unmute yourself or just say hi like this? Hi. Good evening. Hello. अच्छा हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों चलेगा? चलेगा? परफेक्ट. ओके. अगर आप नहीं बोल सकते हो तो चैट बॉक्स यूज करो क्योंकि चैट बॉक्स इज द बेस्ट वे टू कम्युनिकेट राइट नाउ. Amazing. So, mera naam Deeksha hai. As Riddhi said, I'm a counseling psychologist. But before that, I'm somebody living with type 1 diabetes for the last 25 years. No, 26 now. Ek saal badh gaya ab. So, welcome. We are very, very excited. I'll be doing the fun bit, and Radhika and Molly will also do the fun bit, but thoda sa alag se. Before I give the stage to Radhika, मुझे एक चीज जाननी है सबसे. आज का दिन आपका डायबिटीज के हिसाब से इमोजीज हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना व्हाट्सएप पे. सारे यूज करते हैं इमोजीज व्हाट्सएप पे. करते हैं कि नहीं करते हैं? यस. है ना? तो अभी सबके सब क्या करेंगे, एक इमोजी डालेंगे कि आपका आज डायबिटीज के साथ दिन कैसा रहा. जितना क्रिएटिव हो सकते हो उतना क्रिएटिव. ओके. सब चैट बॉक्स में डालेंगे. आई विल बिगिन. मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा. You can use multiple emojis, okay? Nice. Riddhi had like a celebratory day. Pooja is like, ठीक है, जो भी चल रहा है चलने दो. I am like, whatever. Sheetal is, Jovan is like, I nailed it today. आज बढ़िया रहा दिन. Dimple has a happy face. That's so good. Saima, amazing. Kamlesh, nice. अच्छा था. ओके. नाहिद, ये एंग्री वाले का क्या क्या सीन है? व्हाई द एंग्री फेस? अनीता, व्हाट हैपेंड? बैड डे? इट्स ओके. सेंडिंग यू अ बिग टाइट हग. सो राइट. मोर इमोजीज. अगर किसी को और भी डालनी है तो डाल सकते हैं. Nice. Amazing. Since you guys enjoyed today, most of you enjoyed, me and a few had like a meh day. हम लोग क्या करेंगे अब राधिका को मैं दूंगी फ्लोर और वो क्या करेंगी वो आपको ये बताएंगी. She is going to tell you more about type 1 diabetes but in a very very different and fun way that we have never ever expected. So Radhika, over to you. And thank you everyone for the emojis.
Hello, everyone. My name is Radhika Purushothaman. I'm a pediatric endocrinologist, which means I see little kids, older kids with diabetes, type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, everything. I live in the US, in the west coast of the US, Portland, Oregon. And I am also the co founder of Anima T1D. Molly is the other one. So, in Anima T1D, what do we do? It's actually basically a YouTube channel. So we create animated videos, like cartoon kind of videos about type 1 diabetes. Very small videos. The longest one I think is like 15 minutes longest. And each one is just to explain one concept about type 1 diabetes. It's meant for children, for adults, for families, for anybody who wants to learn about type 1, but to make it fun, to make it engaging, to make it exciting. So it's not boring. It's very easy to make type 1 diabetes boring. So this is to make it fun so that you can learn and you can remember. And if you didn't learn, you didn't remember, you can come back and watch it how many ever times. You can speed it up, slow it down, whatever. Everything's on YouTube. So it's free. You can see it. And I think there are what, 55, 56 videos? But there are many, many more to come. You want it in Hindi, we'll make it work. So that's the beauty of it. All the videos are created by me. So there's no overhead, there's no department. Molly and I are the main people putting this together. So yeah, we want to share 2 of these videos with you today, and we'd love to hear what you think about it. If you like it, if you didn't like it, I really want to know, because then I need to know what we can change. But I hope you enjoy it. Our hope one day, our vision is anybody anywhere who has type 1 can learn, understand what they need to know without even having to leave their house. That's the hope.
Technical team, please play the insulin video.
Hi there. Welcome to Anima T1D. Our goal is to break down the different aspects of type 1 diabetes so it is easier to understand. This video shows what glucose and insulin do in our body and how. That will help us understand why they are important. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes and is not meant to replace your doctor or care team.
Hi. My name is Mia. I have type 1 diabetes. This means my body stopped making something called insulin. Because of that, I need to take insulin injections every time I eat carbs. Sometimes, I also need it if my blood sugar is high. But why can't I eat carbs without an injection?
Hi Mia. My name is Lisa. I have type 1 diabetes too. When I was diagnosed, this was very confusing for me too. But someone explained to me what insulin and glucose do in our body. Then it started to make more sense. Let me tell you what I learned and maybe that will help you too. First, let's start with why glucose is so important to our bodies. Glucose is also called sugar. It is the energy that our body needs so we can do all the things we like. It is something like the gas that a car needs to keep it running. We use glucose to do fun things like playing in the playground and riding our bike. We also need it to think, like reading a good book or studying. Just like how a car gets gas at a gas station, our body gets glucose from food. Not just any food, but foods with carbohydrates or carbs for short. Some foods that have carbs are bread, tortillas, pizza, beans, French fries, milk, rice, and also fruits like bananas and apples. When we eat any of these carbs, our body breaks it down to glucose.
Does this mean, then no matter what carbs I eat, the body changes it to glucose? Cake? Bananas?
Mia, that is right. All carbs are made up of glucose. Think about Legos. You can use Lego pieces to make a toy ship, a truck, or a house. The same way, glucose pieces can make up bananas, cake, or bread. Isn't that cool? Once we eat carbs, the body breaks it down back to glucose. Let's see what happens when we eat a cookie. When we eat a cookie, it travels from the mouth, down the food pipe, and then goes to the stomach and beyond. Let's take a closer look at what happens next. Our body breaks the cookie down to its building blocks, including glucose. These green battery symbols are the glucose pieces. Glucose then enters the blood. This is why, when we eat carbs, our blood sugar goes up. Now, let's follow them and see what happens next. The glucose that was broken down now enters our bloodstream and travels through it to reach different parts of our body.
Is this why my blood sugar starts going up when I eat carbs?
That's exactly right. The high blood sugar sends a signal to where insulin is made. That place is called the pancreas. Insulin is then released and brings the blood sugar down. In type 1 diabetes, we cannot make insulin, so we have to give the insulin instead.
But why do we need insulin? What does it do?
To understand that, let's return to our glucose in the bloodstream. Glucose makes its way through our blood to reach different parts of the body like the liver, kidney, and so on. But it needs a key to get in. That key is insulin. Sensing that the blood glucose is going up, the pancreas starts making insulin. This is done by the beta cells. Now, both the insulin keys and the glucose make their way to the different parts of our body. Let's imagine the different parts of our body are like houses. Insulin opens the door to that house so the glucose can get in. Without the insulin key, the glucose is stuck outside and the cells are not able to get energy. Once all the glucose reaches its destination, the blood sugar level comes back down to normal.
But what about me? I don't make insulin. Is that why I need to take insulin shots? So the glucose has the key to get in?
Mia, that is right. Both you and I have type 1 diabetes, which means we don't make insulin. So, we need to make sure that when we eat carbs, we send enough keys with them so they can get in and not stay stuck in the bloodstream.
Lisa, thank you for explaining that to me. Now, I understand why I need to take insulin anytime I eat carbs.
We hope this helps you understand how insulin and glucose work in our body. Again, please remember that this is for informational purposes only. Thank you for watching, and check out more videos on our website through the link below.
So that was our very, very first video that we put together. Thank you. So I hope you liked it, and I hope if you knew about it, it made sense. If you didn't know about what insulin does, it clicked. Yeah, I hope it worked.
No, this was really wonderful. Thank you, Radhika, for sharing this video. And I wish back then, when we were all diagnosed, we had someone do this for us and put it out so simply. जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं वीडियोस, क्या आपको कभी किसी ने इस तरह से समझाया है? कितने लोगों को समझाया है इस तरह से? तो ठीक है, हम सब नहीं समझाया, कई लोगों को नहीं समझाया, बट कई लोगों को समझाया है. डिम्पल ने बोला है कि मैंने इसके बारे में स्टडी किया है, तो बहुत बढ़िया है. तो इसीलिए हमारे साथ एम्पावर है डॉक्टर मनीषा. आपकी स्माइल से हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है, क्योंकि एम्पावर एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर डॉक्टर्स हमारा साथ दे रहे हैं, हमें इसके बारे में पढ़ा रहे हैं और हमें और स्ट्रॉन्ग और ताकतवर बना रहे हैं. सो डॉक्टर मनीषा, आपके क्या व्यूज हैं?
Fantastic video, Radhika. It was amazing the way you simplified it like no one else did. And kids really get to understand how it takes and what all it does to what is type 1, what is type 2, and you have simplified everything in one small video. So then thank you so much for putting all your efforts together and all your energy, in fact, just to make us understand. बहुत ही मजेदार वीडियो है. I simply loved it. No words to explain. Trust me.
Thank you.
Okay, with that, we move over to Diksha. Diksha आज हमारे साथ कुछ मजेदार बातें करने वाली है. हमारे साथ कुछ गेम्स भी खेलने का प्लान है. तो अब दीक्षा के हाथ में है सेशन.
Yay! Thank you, Radhika. First of all, amazing video. I wish जब मैं 26 साल पहले diagnose हुई थी, this could have saved me so much of trouble of understanding कि type 1 diabetes क्या था, and I think I resonate everyone's feelings here जो अभी session में है. But now, since we have done a little bit of education, we'll do a little bit of fun, but with education, of course. That's what Empower is about at the end of the day. तो अभी मैं क्या चाहूंगी कि सब अपने एक तो प्लीज 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 अपने कैमरास ऑन कर लो. मेरे को बहुत वियर्ड लग रहा है ये काली स्क्रीन देख के. Can everyone just turn their videos on? Even if you are in kitchen, even if wherever you are, we don't judge. बड़ी safe space है. Can we just do it for like once? Say hi to everyone, फिर उसके बाद बंद कर लेना चाहे. Nice. Good to see faces now. अब ऐसे ही रहना. Freeze. Statue everyone. Good. You do not get to turn your cameras on. Off. Off. On करने हैं. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, since it's Christmas themed party है ना, अब type 1 की party थोड़ी सी type 1 जैसी होनी चाहिए. मजेदार, थोड़ा सा spice, बहुत सारा नहीं, जितना required insulin है उतना. So, what I want to do is, this game is called What's My Sleigh? Do you know that sleigh that Santa rides? What's in My Sleigh is the name of this game. What we are going to do is, everyone is going to pick up one thing which makes their type 1 diabetes interesting. Like one thing, जो भी type 1 से related एक चीज अभी आपके आसपास है, अब वो उठाएंगे. और उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगी आगे क्या करना है. Okay? Quickly. Glucometers, pens, hypotreats, everything. जो possibly इस time पे आपको लगता है. Dr. Manisha, you can, maybe a diagram of a dead pancreas works for us. I don't know.
I'm sitting in my clinic. I have a lot of things. don't.
Okay. All right. So I also need to find something. सबने उठा लिया? सबके पास आ गया? Okay, I am also getting mine. Wait a minute. I have two. और बड़ा interesting सा है मेरे पास. अरे? Oh, yes. Everyone got the diabetes stuff? Right? Okay. Now, what we're going to do is, हम लोग एक छोटी सी चीज करेंगे. The first thing is that you need to, for caregivers, what you need to do is, मम्मी पापा तो हमें ये बताएंगे कि आपका ये जो आपने ये इस चीज ने जो भी आपने उठाया है डायबिटीज रिलेटेड, इसने आपके बच्चे की जान कैसे बचाई है. यहाँ पे कितने कितने मम्मी पापा है? Who are the caregivers for people living with type 1 diabetes right now? Oh, I'm not a caregiver. मैं खुद type 1 हूँ. कौन कौन है? Okay, Sheetal ji is there. Molly, of course, is there. Saima ji is there. Sheetal ji, will start with you. Can you tell us जो भी आपने अभी उठाया type 1 से related? Can you show us that and can you tell us how did that save your child? Insulin. इसे कैसे सेव किया आपके बच्चे को?
एक्चुअली में इंसुलिन ने सेव नहीं किया, ये तो डॉक्टर के पास एडमिट हुआ था, वहाँ डॉक्टर ने सेव किया था इसकी लाइफ को.
और अभी वो इंसुलिन लगा रहा है अच्छे से?
अभी वो इंसुलिन लगा रहा है.
और कभी तकलीफ नहीं हुई? इंसुलिन हैज बीन सेविंग हिज लाइफ.
यस.
है ना? थैंक यू.
अभी तो विदाउट इंसुलिन तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली. वही तो. सो बिगेस्ट लाइफ सेवर. थैंक यू टू दिस. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच शीतल जी. Molly.
To Mute. I have the glucometer checking my daughter's glucose. So thankful that we can see what's going on inside of her body to keep her safe.
That's so amazing. I think the sheer feature, अगर आप CGM लगाते is the best thing ever. Like मुझे तो फोन आने शुरू हो जाते हैं घर वालों के कि यार 70 हो गया तुम्हारा शुगर लेवल, क्या कर रही हो? Your sugar levels are dropping down to 70. What the hell are you doing? Why are you not treating your hypo? I'm like, wow. Okay, एक Saima ji, do you you are also a caregiver. How आपने क्या उठाया? What did you pick up? Are you there? Okay. If not,
हेलो
we are
हेलो यार, एक्चुअली आई एम समवेयर आउट सो मैंने कुछ उठाया नहीं है, बट
no
आई वांट टू
problem.
शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस।
जी
जब मेरी बेटी को टीके हुआ था और बहुत सीवियर इस कंडीशन हो गई थी, उसको वेंटिलेटर पे रखा था, तो एज सून एज वी एंटर्ड द इमरजेंसी ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल, डॉक्टर ने सबसे पहले उसको उन्होंने उसका शुगर ही चेक किया था, क्योंकि रिसेंटली उनके पास एक और बेबी आया था जिसको ऐसे ही कंडीशन में वो एडमिट हुआ था। अदरवाइज डॉक्टर ने बोला कि हमें मतलब शायद डायग्नोज करने में हम कुछ और टेस्ट करते तो हमें कुछ टाइम लगता, बट वो कंडीशन देख के उन्होंने समझ गए कि हाँ, जैसे अभी लास्ट टाइम जो बेबी एडमिट हुआ था उसकी भी सेम कंडीशन थी, तो शुगर चेक करके सबसे पहले उन्होंने इंसुलिन दिया। और एज सून एज दे गिव द इंसुलिन, आई डोंट नो जो भी यूनिट दिया होगा, जो भी इंसुलिन उस टाइम रहा होगा, मुझे तो नॉलेज नहीं था, तो फिर वो थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस हो गई थी इंसुलिन देते, अदरवाइज शी वाज अनकॉन्शियस। ब्रेथलेसनेस भी बहुत ज्यादा थी, वेंटिलेटर पे रखा था 24 आवर्स। तो मेरे लिए दैट फ्यू यूनिट्स ऑफ इंसुलिन वाज लाइफ सेवियर।
that is so amazing. Thank you so much for sharing your experience, first of all. And दूसरी बात है, I think one thing that we need to remember is that doctors are also the biggest gift that we have. If we didn't have good doctors, it would have been very, very difficult for us to be the people that we are. They are the ones who have empowered us. They are the ones who have saved us. They are the ones who are still saving us when anything goes wrong. So just a heartfelt like heart to all the doctors who are present in the meeting, because you guys are. Okay, पर हम अब टाइप 1 पे जाएंगे. टाइप 1 किधर है? टाइप 1 हाथ. Wave. Okay, what did you pick up? अब इंसुलिन मत बोलना, आप थोड़ा सा इनोवेटिव हो जाओ, क्योंकि मम्मी पापा तो कर दिया है इंसुलिन. विनायक सेंसर दिखा रहा है. Vinayak, do you want to share how has this saved your life?
आई कैन से एक असिस्टेंट का काम किया है, मैनेजर का काम किया है सीजीएम ने। मुझे मेरा सारे ग्लूकोज लेवल्स का रीडिंग्स का हिसाब रख के मुझे बताता है कि यहाँ पे चूक रहा है, यहाँ पे ज्यादा जा रहा है, तो वैसे मुझे हेल्प किया है।
That's true. CGM, if I really hope and pray that government makes it more affordable, because CGMs are the best thing ever, undoubtedly. Who was there with a juice box? किसी ने juice box उठाया था? I saw somebody with a juice box as well. किसने juice box उठाया था? अरे hypotreat किसी ने भी नहीं उठाई है. कैसे से हो तुम लोग? Hypotreat save you every day. I mean, if you get hypos every day. But hypotreats are the best thing ever. Nobody thinks that hypotreats save them. और कोई आसपास नहीं रख रहा है.
दी मैंने उठाई थी.
अरे हाय मनीष.
हेलो दी.
बता, how did a hypotreat save you?
दी हर बार करती है जब भी हाइपो में जाने वाला होता हूँ.
तो ग्लूकोटैब भी लेता है?
ग्लूकोटैब्स नहीं लेता हूँ दी. कोई जूस ले लेता हूँ, फ्रूटी ले लेता हूँ. ग्लूकोटैब्स अभी नहीं ली मैंने इतनी, क्योंकि मेरे पास हाइपोटैब में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है हाइपोट्रीट करने के लिए, या तो चॉकलेट या तो कोई जूस होता है. और सबसे बढ़िया मेरा हाइपोट्रीट करने के लिए मुझे जो फ्रूटी का स्मॉल पैक होता है वो सबसे बढ़िया, टेट्रा पैक सबसे बेस्ट है.
Exactly. It's 10 rupees exactly how much we
हाँ
need. And it's
एग्जैक्टली, वो
amazing.
सबसे बेस्ट हाइपोट्रीट करता है.
I
वो
know
बहुत ज्यादा
that.
हाइक भी नहीं देता है और मुझे हाइपो से बाहर भी ले आता है.
Perfect. True that. Dimple, the most important thing you picked up, glucose. Glucon D, Zindabad. Do you want to unmute yourself and tell us how did Glucon D save you?
ये क्या हुआ?
डिम्पल अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है. आओ.
Yes, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yeah, 100%.
हाय मैम, आप सबसे मिलकर मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
हमें भी तुमसे मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
एक्चुअली आई रिसेंटली अभी कुछ समय पहले मैं ना एम्स से ट्रीटमेंट ले रही हूँ. उधर के डॉक्टर्स बहुत अमेजिंग, बहुत केयरिंग और हेल्पफुल है. उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत सारी चीजें बताई है टाइप 1 डायबिटीज के बारे में.
So happy. तो वही ना, डॉक्टर्स आर ब्लेसिंग टू हैव. पर तू ग्लूकॉन डी उठाया था ना तूने, तो ग्लूकॉन डी का
यस
पता, हाउ
मैम.
डिड ग्लूकॉन डी सेव यू?
मैं ना जब भी मेरे को मैं हाइपो में जाती हूँ, मतलब 70 से जब भी मेरा ब्लड शुगर लेवल नीचे जाता है, तब कुछ नहीं, चेक किया, 70 से नीचे गया, 15 ग्राम ग्लूकोन डी मिक्स किया और पी लिया. फिर 15 मिनट बाद में वापस चेक किया और फिर कुछ थोड़ा खा लिया.
So good. So before I give the stage to Molly. Thank you so much, Dimple. This is so important because हम सब hypo treatment गलती करते हैं. Either we take
यस
too
मैम.
much or too less, and then we either go into hyperglycemia या वो होता. It's just too much. It's a lot of complication happening in one go in that small 15-minute का span. कुछ नहीं करना है. जैसे डिम्पल ने बोला, 15 ग्राम ग्लूकोज लिया या एक फ्रूटी का पैक लिया, जैसे मनीष बोल रहा था, हैव दैट, वेट फॉर 15 minutes, check your sugar levels and eat some complex carbs or proteins afterwards. You are good to go. नहीं बढ़ेगा sugar level फिर.
मैम वन थिंग प्लीज, आई पर्सनली टेल यू.
हाँ बताओ ना.
मैम रिसेंटली मैं क्लास 12th में हूँ और नीट की तैयारी कर रही हूँ. आई ऑल्सो वांट टू बिकम अ वेरी वेरी गुड एंडोक्राइनोलॉजिस्ट.
So good. And you will.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, Dimple. And over to you, Molly.
So, hello, I'm Molly, Mama Molly. My daughter is 17 and she has type 1 diabetes, and she was diagnosed 6 years ago. And when my daughter was diagnosed, I think like Simon's story, we had no idea what was happening. We didn't know what type 1 diabetes was. I didn't know how glucose was used in the body or why insulin matters so much. So I'm very appreciative of the videos and the partnership with Dr. Radhika. And in this video, the next video watch, it's what is type 1 diabetes? And it's going to offer a simple, fun explanation of what's happening inside the body, how we use glucose for energy, how insulin helps get the glucose into our cells, and a little bit the difference between type 1 and type 2. And I hope this video brings clarity and reminds you that we're all navigating this together, families, caregivers, individuals with T1D, and this amazing global community that supports each other. So I hope you enjoyed the video.
Technical team, please play the video.
Is to break down the different aspects of type 1 diabetes so it is easier to understand. In this video, we talk about what is type 1 diabetes. If you have not already, we recommend first watching the video titled Insulin and Glucose. What do they do and how? You can find the link to that video below. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes and is not meant to replace your doctor or care team.
Lisa. Hi. I am so glad that you could come to celebrate my diaversary with me and my parents.
Hi, Mia. Thank you for inviting me. I would not have missed it. You have come such a long way and learned so much. What do you remember most about when you were diagnosed?
I remember being in the hospital and the doctor telling my parents that I have type 1 diabetes. I remember them saying that my body stopped making insulin. But I still don't know why it stopped making insulin.
I can help you understand that. For that, we need to first find out what is diabetes. Do you remember when we talked about our body needing sugar for energy? That sugar usually comes from carbs, like the cookie in this example. Our body breaks carbs down to sugar, which enters our blood. Sugar then travels through our bloodstream to different parts of our body. Once the sugar reaches the cells, it needs insulin to unlock the door so it can get in. The yellow keys in this picture represent insulin. If there is not enough insulin, or if insulin is not able to work properly, then the sugar cannot get into the cells and it builds up in our blood. This buildup of sugar in the blood is called diabetes. There are two common kinds of diabetes, type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. You and I have type 1 diabetes, where our body stops making insulin. This is because of something called an autoimmune reaction. To understand what that means, we first need to learn a little about our immune system. Our body has an immune system, which protects us from infections and germs by fighting them. One way it does that is by making antibodies. Think of them as soldiers, always watching out for germs. If these antibodies see any germs, they fight them. They protect us and make sure we stay healthy. Sometimes, some of these antibodies get confused. They think that a part of our body is the problem and start attacking that part. These are called autoantibodies. Do you remember that we talked about insulin being made by the beta cells in the pancreas? The keys here represent insulin. In type 1 diabetes, our body makes autoantibodies that attack these beta cells. Because of that, the pancreas stops making insulin.
So, my body has autoantibodies that are attacking the insulin factory? Why did my body make them?
Mia, that is a difficult question to answer. There seem to be different pieces to that puzzle. Some of the pieces we are born with, some are due to infections, but there are still many puzzle pieces that we don't know of. For example, we don't know why some people get type 1 diabetes when they are very young and others not until they are adults. So, it is hard to say who will get diabetes and when.
Now I get it. My body stopped making insulin because of my immune system and these autoantibodies. Thank you, Lisa, for explaining what is type 1 diabetes.
We hope this helps you understand what type 1 diabetes is. Again, please remember that this is for informational purposes only. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website through the link below for more videos.
Right, good. Well, I hope that video helped explain what type 1 was.
Yeah, I think it was a very nice, simplified version of making someone understand what an autoimmune condition is, and also explaining that how the different organs get impacted depending on the type of antibodies that are generated, and to specifically explain what is type 1 diabetes. I think we all need such simplified version of science that takes us on the right path. एंड विद दैट हम ऑडियंस को ये रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे, आपके सामने एक स्क्रीन है, इस स्क्रीन में जो QR कोड है उसको आप स्कैन करें. इसमें एक सर्वे फॉर्म है, तो इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि आपको वो सर्वे कंप्लीट करना है. और जो आपकी एज है, जो पहला ऑप्शन है उसमें लिखा है अगर आपकी उम्र है 7 साल से कम, तो आपको पहला वाला स्कैन करना है. अगर आपकी उम्र है 7 और 12 के बीच, तो आपको ग्रीन बार कोड स्कैन करना है. अगर आपकी उम्र है 13 से 17 साल, तो आपको थर्ड ऑप्शन लेना है. एंड इफ यू आर एन एडल्ट विथ टाइप 1 डायबिटीज, तो लास्ट ऑप्शन. तो हमें ये QR कोड स्कैन करना है. ये QR कोड हम क्यों स्कैन कर रहे हैं, इसके 2 रीजंस हैं. सबसे पहला कि हम फ्यूचर में एनिमा T1D के साथ अगर इंडिया के लिए कुछ वीडियोस बनाएंगे, तो हम जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको इसमें क्या पसंद आया और आप क्या चाहते हो। एक बात ये, और दूसरी बात सबसे एक्साइटिंग, कि अगर आप सर्वे में भाग लोगे तो आप एक लकी ड्रॉ में एलिजिबल हो। इसके बाद आपको कुछ एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस मिलने की संभावना है। तो इस वजह से अब हम रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे जितने भी लोगों ने हमें ज्वाइन किया है, प्लीज आप अपनी उम्र के अनुसार क्यूआर कोड को स्कैन करें एंड लेट्स टेक अ फ्यू मिनट्स। आप क्यूआर कोड स्कैन कर ले, जैसे हो जाएगा आप अपना हाथ ऊपर उठा सकते हैं, एंड देन वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ वन मोर एक्साइटिंग गेम। विल गिव यू 2 to 3 minutes to scan the relevant QR code. Tech team, we'll have to have the survey one more time.
अगर आप इस सब का अगर आपके फोन में साइमल्टेनियसली जूम ऑन है तो इसका अभी स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो और बाद में इसको स्कैन कर लेना दूसरे फोन से, तो उससे थोड़ा कन्वीनियंट हो जाएगा। सो स्कैन इट लेटर, जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस।
ओके, सबका स्कैन हो गया। Okay, so I think we can move to the next game.
अमेजिंग। तो हमारे पास एग्जैक्टली अभी 17 मिनट्स है, और हम 17 मिनट्स में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। जैसे शाहरुख खान ने बोला था कि 70 मिनट है तुम्हारे पास, हमारे पास 17 मिनट है इस टाइम पे। तो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू राइट नाउ इज, किसने स्कूल में बिंगो खेला है? रिमेम्बर यू यूज टू मेक दोस ग्रेड्स, और उसके बाद करते होते थे, काटते होते थे कि मैंने ये किया है। हम आज क्रिसमस थीम्ड टाइप 1 डायबिटीज बिंगो खेलेंगे। ऑलराइट, सो व्हाट यू गाइस नीड टू डू राइट नाउ इज, अगर आपने ये चीज की है, जस्ट पुट इट इन द चैट बॉक्स सो यू कैन अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड टेल अस योर एक्सपीरियंस। के ऐसी कोई ऐसे फनी स्टोरी हो, थोड़ी ड्रामेटिक स्टोरी भी होगी तो चलेगा, हम थोड़ा सा उसको कर देंगे ठीक से। पर जो भी आपकी उससे स्टोरी रिलेटेड एंड यूड लाइक टू शेयर दैट, यू जस्ट लेट अस नो। कैन वी हैव द बिंगो displayed on the screen please?
I think Diksha, if you have it on your
I
screen, you can share. Yeah.
I have to share my
Or you
screen.
can send it to me. I'll have it
I
as well.
have.
Okay. So give us half a second to do that.
Yes. But I can share my screen. Just 2 सेकंड की बात है because we are there.
Yeah. Then I'm just.
I can also share my screen. Got it. Should I share? Riddhi?
Sorry, I was on mute. No, I've
I've-
sent it to the team. We'll have
Okay.
it shared on the screen.
Perfect. अभी हमारे पास 15 मिनट है. I can't say the 70 minute वाली line again. But just 15 minutes and we are good to go. Because I think आप लोगों को बहुत मजा आने वाला है और most of the चीजें हमारे साथ हुई होंगी. So you can cut that bingo. And what you need to do is that once you have completed that bingo, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने पूरा का पूरा सब उसमें से हो गया है, you are going to scream type 1 diabetes or basal bingo. I think basal bingo has a ring to it. So basal bingo is what we are going to say. अगर आपका सारा का सारा बिंगो कट गया. सबको बिंगो का मालूम है ना? ओके. सबको स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है? Can everyone see the screen? Can I get the yeses or the nos?
Yeah, can we have it a little more zoomed in
Yeah.
so that we can see more clearly?
Yes. Okay. Perfect. तो पहला इसमें 25 total. There are 25 cues in this. There are 25 prompts in this. Okay. जिसका 25 का 25 prompts पूरे हो रहे हैं वो बेसल बिंगो चिल्लाएगा. Okay. All right. Thumbs up. Perfect. Okay. The first one is has at least one injection bruise. You can raise your hand, you can just do laugh, I don't know, but yeah. जिसका एक इंजेक्शन का लगाते हुए थोड़ा सा ब्रूज हो गया, निशान पड़ा हुआ है, किसी के हल्का सा वो चाहे रेड डॉट हो, चाहे वो हल्का सा वो नीला हुआ हो. पड़ा है. ओके.
Yes.
यस. ओके.
Yes. Simple dotted.
हाँ. तो अब याद रखना कि तुम कौन कौन सा कट कर रहे हो उसमें, ठीक है? क्योंकि एंड में फिर सबको everyone has to either write in the chat box basal bingo or has to scream. Second is sugar went high after having gulab jamun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Almost सबका. So for a lot of
Yes.
people this is true. The third prompt is mango juice or any juice rescued a hypo.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. 3. Okay. Fourth one is अपने से किसी छोटे बच्चे को comforted a younger type 1 diabetes T1D kid or a friend.
Aji. Yes.
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 Yes. Okay. All right. Fifth prompt is ate Parle-G or glucose candy for low sugars.
First hypotreat.
Parle-G, na?
Yes.
Amazing. Okay. For a lot of people, it's 5 on 5. We are moving on to the sixth one, which is scan your sensor more than 10 times a day.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
I
जब फर्स्ट
love
टाइम लगा
that
था
yes.
यही किया था.
हर 2 मिनट में. Amazing. Okay, so now the seventh prompt is caregivers. ये मम्मी पापा के लिए है. Caregivers stayed up night और ये आपके लिए भी है T1D.
Yes.
Stayed up late at night checking sugar levels. मम्मीज़ are like yes हमने किया है. हमने
Yes.
किया है.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now this is for T1Ds. Fought with your parents about food.
Yes.
Yeah, loud yes.
हाँ जी.
किया है. यार मैंने नहीं किया यार. मेरे मम्मी पापा थोड़े ठीक है उस मामले में. Okay. Now the eighth one is the ninth one is a caregiver keeps snacks in their bag always.
Yes.
मम्मी करती है यार मेरी.
Yes.
Okay. The 10th one is forgot a basil or bolus once.
Yes.
Yes.
सबका
No,
हुआ
no.
है कभी ना कभी। किसी की
Yes.
स्टोरी है इसके
मैम
आसपास? मेरा तो बहुत ही गंदी स्टोरी है इसकी। मुझे एक
मैम
दिन
लेट हुआ है।
लेट हुआ है, मैं मिस तो नहीं हुआ।
रात को 12 बजे या 2 बजे उठ के लगाया है।
हाई फाई पूजा, सेम। चलो शाबाश, सब अलार्म लगाने शुरू करते हैं, हम सब भुलक्कड़ है। ओके,
Yes, ma'am. मैं भी अलार्म लगाती हूँ.
11th prompt is, did exercise or sports even when sugars misbehaved? या तो हाइपो हुआ या हाइपर हुआ।
Yes.
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 No.
Yes.
My trainer gave up on me. She said अगर तेरे को हाइपो हुआ और तेरे मुंह पे जब डंबल बजा, फिर मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगी। Okay, now the 12th prompt is, alarm low happened in school or college?
Yes.
No? कौन है ये
Yes.
नो वाला?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
भाई तो लकी है जो भी है, जिसने भी नो बोला है। टच वुड, थू थू ना हो कभी हाइपो। स्कूल और या कॉलेज में हाइपो होना है सच फीलिंग, नहीं
Yes.
है ना?
Very bad.
Very bad. Okay. Next prompt is, decorated covered sensors, insulin pens, or your glucometer with stickers.
Yes.
हाँ?
Insulin pen.
No,
Insulin
Never.
pen.
Insulin pen.
Never.
I
Insulin pen.
haven't as
No,
well.
never.
अरे तुम लोग जिन्होंने यस यस बोल रहे हो, याद रखो तुम्हारे सारे प्रॉम्प्ट्स हो जाएंगे, तुम्हें बोलना है एंड में। Okay. Carb counted something in your head. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
100% yes.
Yes. I'm always.
Always ना, मतलब ऐसे
Yes,
brain
ma'am.
देख के कैलकुलेशन चलती है आजकल। 26 साल का एक्सपीरियंस। Okay. 15th prompt, Libre alarm or your basically your sensor ka alarm rang during very wrong moment. Maybe
Always.
you were, yeah, same with me. I was like, always na?
Not always. Not always, but many times.
अच्छा, किसी की फनी स्टोरी है कि बड़े गलत टाइम पे वो रिंग हो गया एंड एवरीवन जस्ट स्टेयरिंग एट यू? किसी की स्टोरी नहीं है?
In assembly.
अरे यार, oh my.
once it happened in my classes. So it was a low alarm. Everyone
Huh?
started staring at me, and there are people making fun of Muslims, like bomb and everything. So I'm a Muslim, so there was a sarcastic joke on me कि अब bomb लेके आया है क्या, like that.
Oh God.
Oh God.
ये फनी नहीं था.
नहीं फनी नहीं था, ये थोड़ा
ये
सा
फनी नहीं था.
so I apologize from humanity's side. But
No
मेरे
worries,
साथ
it was just a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
I'm
I'm
so
so
glad
glad.
that you took it as a joke यार, नहीं तो बहुत लोग ऑफेंड हो जाते हैं। मेरे साथ हुआ है, I went to उदयपुर with my family and photos खींच रही है मेरी sister, my भाभी was taking my pictures and my phone is ringing like crazily and people are just looking at her कि कौन सा, और उसका अलार्म भी मैंने एम्बुलेंस वाला लगाया हुआ है for some very weird reason. Got very awkward at very awkward times. But anyway, so we have काफी लोगों के साथ अजीबोगरीब घटनाएं, मतलब अजीबोगरीब जगहों पर लोग हुआ है और अलार्म्स बजे हैं. So we got to know that. On okay, कौन कौन MDIs पे है? On MDIs.
Me.
This is
Me.
Yeah? Me also. Right. Okay. Had to explain diabetes to somebody who had no idea about what type 1 diabetes is.
Always.
हाँ किया.
Yeah.
Lazy
किया.
pancreas.
Lazy pancreas. That's the best way to explain it, honestly. Yeah, lazy pancreas है, काम नहीं करता है ढंग से.
दी फनी स्टोरी, फनी दी ये है कि सब कुछ समझाने के बाद सामने वाला कहता है अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, मीठा मत खाया करो. बात खत्म.
Yes.
Oh God. Vinayak has just put in chat box saying those people are acutely the real bombers who destroy mental space of first T1Ds and tell it as a joke later. It's kind of you that you took it as a joke, brother. How sweet of you, Vinayak. Okay. 18th prompt is attended a festival or event with diabetes gear on. मतलब आपके
Yes.
सेंसर लगा हुआ है या
यस 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 सेंसर के साथ सेंसर के
full
साथ
on. Are we on the inject everywhere or anywhere thing?
Yes.
Yeah.
यस
Send your videos to Riddhi then. Okay. Got a diabetes accessory as a gift.
No.
यस
मनीष
Yes.
देख क्या मिला है रे?
मेहंदी बहुत सारे इवेंट्स में गया हूँ वहाँ एज अ गिफ्ट बहुत सारी एसेसरी मिली है मुझे
Yes.
ग्लूकोमीटर भी मिला है और
Yes.
सम गेम्स में काफी चीजें मिली मुझे सेंसर भी मिला है गिफ्ट में
So cool, man. You know what is the best diabetes? It's not an accessory, but what is the best diabetes thing that I've gotten?
दी 19 साल से जा रहा हूँ कुछ तो मिला ही होगा
Somebody gave me a T1D Barbie as a gift.
Oh,
Nice.
So this is my favorite diabetes
मुझे
accessory.
नॉटिंग मिला था दी
We
नॉटिंग है
get
ना
so
वो
much
मिला
of
था
things. Bag, teddy, and tiffin box, and pen, diary.
दी अभी
So
1
much
वीक
of
पहले
things.
मिला है कानपुर में
Yes.
Tie up में ना?
Yes.
टाई अप में मैं दी
Thanks to Dr. Manisha and her team for that.
I got Hot Wheels from my doctor.
Oh, that is so
वाओ
cool. Right, doctors start giving us Hot Wheels and Barbies. हमारा बचपन का सपना पूरा कर दो. Okay, 20th prompt and then we are just left with 5 prompts. देख लो सबके सब हो रहे हैं क्या हो रहा है? Ice cream without regret. Had ice
यस
cream
Yes.
without
Yes.
Yes.
जो
Yes.
जो हो जो
Yes.
होगा देखा जाएगा
देखा जाएगा.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the spirit. And 21st is felt like a warrior for handling diabetes all day.
Yes. Yes.
यस यस
Yes. Manish, don't say it for the sake of saying it because तुझे अपना bingo पूरा करना है.
नहीं दी मेरे पास लिब्रे अलार्म वाला मेरा 15 नंबर वाला नहीं था पर एक स्टोरी थी कि हाँ मुझे लो गलत टाइम पे हुआ था
हाँ, ठीक
हाँ
है.
मेरे बताऊं
हाँ बता. फिर उसके बाद हम
स्कूल
आगे चलेंगे.
स्कूल टाइम में था टीचर
हाँ.
मुझे समझा रहा है कि बेटा आप लोग सही से रहा करो आप इतने सिंसियर हो चीजों को देख के रखा करो मतलब मैं मॉनिटर था और मैं टीचर से कहता हूँ सर 2 मिनट में कुछ चॉकलेट खा के आता हूँ अब टीचर मेरा मुंह देख रहा है कि तू इतना सिंसियर मैं समझा रहा हूँ और तू चॉकलेट खाने जा रहा है तो कुछ इस तरह का हुआ था
I think teachers, I mean, people who do not have diabetes will never understand how hypos feel like. And I will tell you how hypos feel like, and everyone I think will agree. It feels like death.
नहीं ऐसा लगता है सामने वाला स्लो मोशन में बोल रहा है
हाँ.
I have also one short story.
क्या tell us.
I am a makeup artist
हाँ.
and मेरी ब्राइड को लेट हो रहा है और एक्चुअली उससे सिंगल डे मेरे पास कई सारे मेकअप्स थे बैक टू बैक इन सलोन बट मेरी ब्राइड को लेट हो रहा है बट मेरा हाइपो मुझे समझ आने लगा तो आई वाज से कि जस्ट वेट फॉर 5 मिनट मैं बाद में स्टार्ट करती हूँ पहले मैं अपने आप को सेट कर लूँ
फेरे 2 मिनट बाद होंगे
कैमरा ऑन है मतलब मुझे लेट हो रहा है मैंने कहा आपको लेट हो रहा है अगर मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया तो यहाँ सब मुझे देखने लगेंगे अभी
Nice to hear. But yeah, man, awkward
do later.
situations काम के बीच में हुआ है. I know. मेरे साथ हुआ है. I was in the clinic and the doctor that I work with was asking me कि just show your Libre and you know the application because किसी को मालूम नहीं था. I showed. I was at 73 and going down. He's just looking at me. The patients are looking at me. He's just looking at me. He's like, please go and treat your hypo. I was like, हे भगवान ये क्या है? But yeah. Last 4 prompts, guys. Last 4 prompts. So the 22nd prompt is had a roller coaster day. High, low जा रहा है.
हाँ स्टार्टिंग में बहुत रहा है हाँ यस
Yes. Yes. During exam.
Oh shit! How did you manage then? Exam buddy, where are you? ओके
मेरे साथ भी एग्जाम टाइम में हुआ था।
तो एग्जाम में फिर मैनेज कैसे किया?
मैं सीधा प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस गई, उनको बताया, वो मेरे को मेडिकल रूम में लेके गए और देन आई चीट माई सेल्फ।
Appreciate for
But
this
मेरे
good
साथ
that you
भी
spoke up. A lot of people don't even speak up about this. So congratulations on being so brave, yeah.
मैम
Okay.
मेरे साथ में मैम मेरे साथ में भी एग्जाम टाइम हुआ है। लाइक डायबिटीज काफी लो हो गई थी, तो इन्विजिलेटर को कहा था, तो उन्होंने मुझे स्पेशली एक्स्ट्रा टाइम भी दिया था और खाने के लिए भी मुझे टाइम दिया था।
Kudos, like really gratitude to such invigilators. Seriously, नहीं तो invigilators का like बहाने मार रहे हो आप। आपको cheating करनी है, I was like whatever man. But okay, last 3 prompts, guys. Last 3 prompts, and last prompt पे I need to hear Basil Bingo from you guys. Overcorrected a high. No, ate homemade food because restaurant carbs are scary. Maybe I
Me.
Yes. Stir fried vegetables.
घर की taken bolus instead of basil. This prompt may also be included next time. Thank you, Jitendra. I will do that. And
Yes.
okay. And last 2. And this is the second last prompt before we end the basil bingo. Overcorrected a hypo.
Yes.
Yes.
यस यस
100
कहीं जाना है तो पहले से ही इतना कर लो कि हाइपो ना हो जाए।
हाइपर पे चले जाओ।
Yes.
हाँ।
Yes. Yes.
यस
पहले किया ये।
Okay. And last, everyone's dream, which is had a perfect range day recently.
Yes.
Basil bingo.
बेसल बिंगो
Basil bingo.
Yes.
Basil bingo.
Basil bingo.
Nice. Amazing. So there are a lot of people who have experienced like diabetes from one spectrum to another. Full blown circle you guys have had. So congratulations on having a basil bingo, because this is how a T1D's life is. It's full of ups and downs and making mistakes and learning from the mistakes, getting your alarms, just beeping at the worst times, and still we thrive, and still we are such an amazing community. So kudos to all of you. Please clap for yourself. Please pat on your back and know that we are always there for each other and we love you. Riddhi?
Thank you so much, Diksha, for making this fun. जब दीक्षा ने मेरे साथ ये आइडिया शेयर करी थी, I would like to now say this very honestly. मुझे लगा ये कैसे होगा, like इतना समझ नहीं आया कि कैसे खेलेंगे, और वो भी वर्चुअल सेशन में कैसे खेलेंगे, बट ये दीक्षा की एनर्जी है, उसका प्यार है कम्युनिटी के लिए, इसलिए वो इतना ज़्यादा फन हो गया. So thank you so much, Diksha. Nobody else could have done this. And thank you for the audience. सबने वार्म अप करके इतनी बढ़िया से पार्टिसिपेट किया, बिकॉज देखो कोई भी सेशन अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो ये आपके लिए है, बट आपकी एनर्जी के बिना अधूरा है. So we need you guys there. We need you to participate. We need you to share experiences. We need you to pour your whole heart into this. And with this, we are nearly at the end of the session, but stay tuned. You'll hear from Team Empower, from Dr. Manisha, and from me about who were the lucky winners. But make sure you complete the survey, because if you don't complete the survey, आप eligible नहीं रहोगे. तो हम सेशन के बाद भी आपसे एक बार सर्वे वाला स्क्रीन शेयर कर लेंगे. एंड जैसे दीक्षा ने बताया और डॉक्टर मनीषा भी यहाँ हैं, हम आप सब से, आज के पार्टिसिपेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आप सब अपनी एक छोटी सी वीडियो, विद इन 1 मिनट वाली वीडियो, इंजेक्ट एनीवेयर हमारी जो कैंपेन चल रही है इसके लिए आप एक वीडियो बना के भेजें. हम इस वीडियो को हाईलाइट करना चाहेंगे. एम्पावर पेज विल upload your video and tag you so that you can tell the world what an amazing superhero you are. तो दैट इज रियली गोइंग टू बी एक्साइटिंग. इसके साथ साथ आप अपने सजेशंस भी भेजिएगा कि एनिमा T1D के साथ हम और क्या कर सकते हैं. And I would like to hear from Dr. Manisha for her comments and her suggestions.
This was the wonderful, amazing, engaging session so far. I simply loved it. This is kind of my type, you know. I enjoyed it thoroughly. From the beginning, how to simplify insulin videos, what is type 1, how to differentiate, what does autoimmune does, and how it actually works. So this was amazing. Simplification was the best way to manage and best way to make people understand. And the second thing was, I always look for interactive sessions. Even whenever I take a class, I tell them, you know, I don't want to see this blank screen. जो बच्चा क्लास में नहीं पढ़ रहा है, जो जवाब नहीं देगा, वो क्लास से बाहर है. Whether it is a dietitian or a nutritionist or whosoever, I will tell the tech team, just remove them from the class. I'm not teaching anybody who is not answering. And I simply love the interaction. And Diksha, your energy was amazing. Thank you so much, darling, for putting it all together beautifully. मतलब even me and Riddhi were discussing ये कैसे होगा, और ये हो गया. So this was like that. ये हो गया, and you really nailed it. I'm so proud of you, girl. And I wish you all a very happy or Merry Christmas and a very happy New Year. Have a goal for yourself, set a goal, and that should be implemented throughout the year. अपने डॉक्टर से मिलना है, इंसुलिन टाइम पे लेना है, कार्ब करना है, करेक्शन, whatever. We are there always as a support system. We can go ahead with more simplified videos. I would request Radhika so that like carb corrections can be more in a simplified version using the technology. That would be a great asset for us. So wish you all the very best. Keep smiling, stay happy and blessed. Thank you so much for being with us.
And we'll share the link to Anima T1D's YouTube channel with you on the Empower group. जब आपके पास छुट्टियों में टाइम है, आप प्लीज ये वीडियोस देखें, हमें फीडबैक दें. राधिका मैम भी एम्पावर ग्रुप में हैं. मॉली मैम इज ऑल्सो विद अस टू गाइड अस. तो वी विल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू योर फीडबैक, ताकि हम एनिमा T1D टीम को दोबारा इनवाइट कर सके हमारे साथ. एंड वी विश यू ऑल अ वंडरफुल फेस्टिव सीजन. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर टुडे.